Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Google account is signed in on the device and Clash of Clans is updated. Open the game and wait for the main village to load. This ensures progress sync works. Once done, tap the settings gear in the top right. Make sure you have a stable connection and sufficient battery, because failing mid-link can cause temporary save issues. This first step prepares both app and account so the sign-in flow appears without errors. You now perform the actual link. In Settings, choose the Google Sign-in option and pick your account. If your account is not listed, select Add Account and follow the device prompts. This registers the account with Google Play Services. When the permission dialog appears, accept the required access so the game can save progress. Once you confirm, the app exchanges credentials and writes a cloud save. Make sure to watch for any error messages and don't close the app until confirmation appears. You finish by verifying the account appears in Settings and that your village shows a cloud or email label. That confirms the save. If linking failed, try rebooting the device, clearing Clash of Clans cache, and repeating the sign-in. These steps resolve most sync hiccups. Also make sure Play Services is updated. If problems persist, sign out and back into the device Google account or try a different network. Those measures usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.